guys, it's John here, Tameside Handyman. Just doing another short video to show you this bath tap. This is the Ebb Flo Option 1 as it stands. So the options may change, but basically at this time this is option 1 on the bath taps. So as you can see, it's a mixer tap, 2 holes. Just giving you a close-up. It's a good weighty tap, this. Obviously polished chrome. This is a tap that I supply and fit. Quite popular for the bath taps that I do. They've got the metal back nuts on these as well. A lot of the taps do have plastic ones, which for the most part are okay, but they can over time split. They have obviously improved a lot, and it takes a lot to split them, but these are actually metal ones, so less to worry about. But yeah, I'm just giving you a closer up of option 1 bath tap. That's how it looks all the way around. And looking down from the top, you have to excuse my fingerprints if you can see any. And underneath. Yep, so there you go. You can book that in on my website, handymantameside.com. Just go to the booking page. You can see all the prices there, which are current at the time. I don't give prices on videos because if the price does change, then I have to do the video again. Okay guys, hope that's been some use to you. See you in the next video.